in this lesson I'm going to show you how to cut up a small chicken into pieces for stewing like curry, etc. Not just a whole chicken that most people do, just pushing it in the oven. And it's quite easy. So what we need to do is cut up the chicken, as we say quarter, but it's more than quarter in it. We're going to quarter it first, and then we're going to cut it in smaller pieces, and we're going to remove the skin. So that's what I'm going to do. I've done some already, but I'm going to do this so you can see how it's done. Remove both legs. You find the joint here, and then it's just easy to break it back and cut through. That's one leg. And then you remove the wings. You also try and find the joint in that as well. And it's so easy to cut through. Now you're going to separate the breast from the back. And again, you find the joint and you cut through. It's easy. Some people think it's so hard to cut up a chicken. It's not hard to cut up a chicken. Separate the chicken wings. Then we're going to remove the skin from the legs. I'm using a kitchen towel to help me grab the skin. That makes it so much easier to remove the skin. Now we're going to separate the thigh from the drumstick. This is a small chicken. If you're using bigger legs, you have to cut it in smaller pieces, but this is a small chicken, so we don't cut it too small. When it's a bigger chicken, you cut it like this. I'll just do you show. This will wash the chicken after.
So when it's a bigger chicken, you cut it into four?
Four, yeah.
Okay, the back into four.
Back into four.
Is there any special knife you need to use, or?
I know I have a poultry scissor, but you still have to, that's just for clipping the breast in two. And then you use you start at this end because it's easy for the knife, but after that you have to use the scissors to cut the bone. Got that? These are the two halves of the breast, and each half is going to be cut in 3 pieces. You can also use the scissors for clipping the bone. You have to rinse the chicken in either some lemon or lime juice. Rinse and drain and check if there's anything on that you want to get rid of. Sometimes those little back pieces have some leftover stuff in there that you need to get rid of. Like that. Usually in the back. So I'm looking for it. I guess that's the only piece with it. Use some paper towel to remove some of the water.
Oh, how I wish I had you.